Hello and welcome to this short demo video of the BP Ventures Institutional Wallet. To access the platform, go to pay-uat.bpventures.us and click the Login button. Select Sign in with Authentic and enter your BP Ventures credentials. Once logged in, if this is your first time, you will be taken to the Get Started screen. Here, you can create a new testnet wallet for testing purposes, or if you already have an existing wallet, you can click on Import Existing Wallet. Next, enter your secret key and optionally set an alias. Click Import. You will then be directed to the dashboard screen, where you can view all the assets in your wallet along with your payment history. The main functions available are sending assets to another recipient, swapping assets, depositing, and withdrawing. Let's begin with the Send function. Click the Send icon to open the Send payment form. Here, you can enter the recipient's address or select one from your address book if you have already saved it. Enter the amount you want to send and click Send. The payment will be processed within a few seconds. This is how the Send feature works. Next is the Swap function. You can swap between different assets. To do this, click the swap icon, enter the amount you want to swap, and select the asset you want to swap to. The system will display the minimum amount you will receive. You can also set the slippage tolerance and the base fees, then click Swap. Within a few seconds, the swap will be completed. The next function is Deposit. You can deposit using different anchors such as OwlPay, Bridge, ICE, CrossBridge, and CADA. For this demo, let's use Bridge. Select the anchor and click Start. This will run SEP30 authentication and open the anchor's website. Here, you will be required to complete a form and provide KYC details. Clicking the link will open Persona, where you can fill in your information and complete verification. Once verified, the deposit form will appear. For the purpose of this demo, we won't complete this step, but this is how the process works. Similarly, you can perform withdrawals. To withdraw, select the asset you want to withdraw and the anchor, then click Start Withdrawal. This will open the form. After completing KYC, you will be able to enter the withdrawal amount. Once submitted, the wallet sends the request to the anchor, and after verification, the anchor will display the withdrawal details. You can also view the history of each asset. For example, if I want to see the transfer history of USDC, I can sort the transactions accordingly. This shows the history on the Stellar blockchain. If I want to view the history from a specific anchor, I can select it and click Get Transactions from Anchor, which will display all related records. Additionally, we have Balance History, which can be sorted daily, weekly, or monthly. You can also generate a PDF snapshot of this data. Other features include webhooks, where you can create different webhook configurations, and issuance, where you can issue new assets. To issue an asset, you need to provide details such as the asset name, asset code, domain, and distribution account. Once created, you can also perform actions such as clawback, freeze or unfreeze, and authorize or revoke authorization. You can also create liquidity pools between two assets. Under Settings, you will find branding options, where you can change the icon and set your company name as the brand. We also provide API keys and well-documented schedules of available APIs. In the address book, you can add Stellar addresses. It supports full CRUD functionality: create, read, update, and delete. We also support Remit1 integrations, both inbound and outbound. For inbound, you enter a Stellar address. When a payment is received, it is matched to the Remit1 transfer and automatically marked as cleared. Matching is based on the memo field, currency, and amount. For outbound, when a payment is received in Remit1, the Stellar account you specify will send the payment to the beneficiary's Stellar account. Other features include USDC payouts, Zapier integration, and reset issuance of the current wallet, which burns all previously issued assets. We also have the guard function, which adds an extra layer of security. Whenever you submit a Stellar transaction, an email approval is required. This ensures that even if your wallet is compromised, your funds remain secure. Predefined guard profiles are available for issuers and participants. These are some of the key features of our institutional wallet. Thank you.